I'll guide you and walk you through the course and content which we'll cover. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
this course contains, the AWS data engineer certification training.
Mm-hmm.
So we would be liable to train you according to the course of the data engineer, which includes the basic of clouds and things, the core services of AWS, right? You will gain the professional services of data engineering task, learning and implementing the data pipelines over the AWS, and preparing for your certification of the same.
Okay. Also for interview purpose, right?
Yeah, correct. So whenever you start preparing for any certification, it is always about first we'll learn about the theory and with the practical. So practicals would help you to clear and understand the interviews and the certifications, whereas theories would help you to clear your basics. As I ask you some basic questions like, do you know about cloud? What is virtualization? What is ASPAS SaaS?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
these
Yeah.
are some very basic topics which can introduce you to cloud, irrespective to which cloud you are using, like AWS, Azure, GCP, etc.
Mm-hmm.
Every cloud has some basic nature. So once we are done with some basic cloud computing, we'll
Mm-hmm.
start with how does AWS will help you over this, how to ensure the key services, what are the key services, what are the pricing models, how to calculate the pricing over the cloud, etc. These all things would be a basic touch to a cloud as you are a developer, right? So it will
Yeah.
give you a very brief overview of how to use cloud, what is cloud. I'll
Mm-hmm.
help you to create your own AWS portals, desktop,
Mm-hmm.
etc. Okay. Then it will be starting with the AWS core services in the module 2. We will conclude with the compute service, storage service, and the database service. So these are the basic service in any of the certification courses. So for example, for
Mm-hmm.
compute service, we have three services, EC2,
Mm-hmm.
Lambda, and ECS, right?
Mm-hmm.
EC2 stands for a normal server, as
Mm-hmm.
we discussed right now. Lambda stands for a serverless server. So you just write the code and forget about the server. It will
Mm-hmm.
create as the API. This
Mm-hmm.
is the serverless. And the ECS is the latest one, which is the Elastic Kubernetes service.